Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about the defects management in the software testing lifecycle. What are defects or bugs? As we have seen earlier also, defects are also known as bugs and are issues in a software application that cause it to behave unexpectedly or incorrectly. These issues can range from minor inconveniences to severe problems that affect the functionality, performance, or usability of the software. Here is a detailed look at defects and bugs. Definition: a defect or bug is in software refers to a flaw or error that prevents the software from functioning as intended. These errors can arise from various stages of the software development lifecycle, such as requirements, design, coding, or testing. Now, types of defects and bugs. Functional bugs. These occur when the software does not behave according to the specified requirements. For example, a login button not working is a functional bug. Performance bugs. These involves issues related to the speed, responsiveness, and stability of the software. For instance, a page taking too long to load is a performance bug. Usability bugs. These are related to the user interface and user experience, such as confusing navigation or unclear error messages. Compatibility bugs. These occur when the software does not work correctly or on different devices, operating systems, or browsers. Security bugs. These involve vulnerabilities that could potentially allow unauthorized access, data breaches, or other security risks. UI bugs. These are cosmetic issues that affect the appearance of the software, such as misaligned text or incorrect fonts or the caption. Logic bugs. These occur due to errors in the logical flow of the software, such as incorrect calculations or improper handling of conditions. Integration bugs. These arise from issues in the interaction between different modules or components of the software. These are the types of defects. Now, severity of defects or bugs. Severity indicates the impact of the defect on the application. Severity is critical, high, medium, and low. So critical means defects that cause system crashes, data loss, or significant malfunctions. These must be fixed immediately. High high severity means defects that severely affect a major functionality of the application, but the system remains operational. Medium defects means Medium severity means defects that affect some functionality but do not have a severe impact on the overall system performance. Low severity is defects that cause minor issues such as UI problems or cosmetic defects which do not impact functionality. Priority of defects and bugs are: priority indicates the order in which the defect should be fixed. There are three types: high priority, medium priority, and low priority. High means defects that must be fixed immediately, usually because they impact a critical part of the application. Medium priority means defects that are important but do not require immediate attention. They, are, they can be scheduled for a later fix. Low priority means defects that are minor and can be fixed at a convenient time. This is priority. Then severity and priority of defects is like high severity, high priority. Key features failed and no workaround. Example: login button is not working. That is high priority, high severity. Then the example of high priority and low severity is basic feature failed but it has a huge impact on customers' business. Misspelled company logo. That is the high priority and low severity. Now, low priority and high severity. Example: calculation fault in the yearly report which end user won't use regularly. Now, low severity, low priority is font family mismatch in a report. So these are the things which are very important from the interview point of view. Defect life cycle. The defect life cycle, known as the bug life cycle, outlines the various stages a defect goes through from identification or resolution. Here is a detailed overview of the typical stages in the defect life cycle. First is new. New means whenever the tester finds the bug, he will log the bug in the defect management tool like Jira, ALM, or etc., Bugzilla, etc. So new is the status at that time. Whenever he logs the bug, new is the status. Then assign. Assign means it is assigned to the development lead. So he will assign to the developers. Like when it is the status is open. Now open status, what happens is, in open status the developer takes the bug and the test case, and he will fix the bug. The status is fixed. Then after fixing, again testing is done. Then if it is failed, then it is reopened and go to open status. Okay, after after bug is fixed correctly, it is verified and it is closed. But in open state, when the bug is logged and assigned, there may be a duplicate bug or rejected or deferred by the developer. Next release. Deferred means next release. Rejected means it is not a bug, and duplicate is it is already logged before. So this is the bug life cycle. It is very important from the interview point of view. Now defect report. Defect report, also known as bug report, is a document that details the specifies of a defect or bug found during software testing. It helps the development team understand the issue and work on a resolution. Here's a detailed outline. Components of a defect report are defect ID. First one, a unique identifier for the defect. Title, a brief and descriptive title of the defect. Description, a detailed description of the defect. Step 2, reproduce. Step-by-step instructions to reproduce the defect. Expected results, the expected behavior of the application without the defect. Actual result, the actual behavior observed when the defect occurs. Severity, priority, then status, the current status of the defect. Reported by, the name of the tester. Date reported, the date when the defect was reported. Assigned to, the name of the developer assigned to fix the defect. So this is nothing but defect report. This is also very important for the interview point of view. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications. Thank you.